Maricopa County Sheriff Joe Arpaio facing a federal court showdown over claims he racially profiled Latinos. Thanks for choosing us. I'm Stephanie Hawkridge.
And I'm Steve Irvin. This is the latest battle in an ongoing war between the sheriff and the DOJ. Today, the department filing a federal lawsuit claiming Arpaio and his deputies target Latinos during those immigration patrols. The DOJ first made that claim last year, then began working with Arpaio trying to reach a settlement on the issue. Now, the lawsuit was filed after Arpaio refused to agree to a court-appointed monitor, saying it would undermine his authority.
They don't like the way I enforce the illegal immigration laws. That's the bottom line. They want to take control of the sheriff's office with monitors, reviews, that I have to ask them before I go make an arrest. This is ridiculous.
The ABC 15 investigators have been sorting through this complaint to show you the specific examples of discrimination that the Justice Department is claiming. And investigator Lori Jane Gleha spent the day reading over those documents. What does this lawsuit reveal?
Well, Steve, this is the 32-page complaint, and in it there's all sorts of examples explaining why the Justice Department says the behavior at the sheriff's office is unlawful and unconstitutional.
Several specific details listed in this Justice Department complaint show mistreatment of Latinos by MCSO. According to this court paperwork, on one occasion, a deputy stopped a pregnant Latina woman who is also a U.S. citizen as she pulled into her driveway. The officer is accused of grabbing her arms, slamming her stomach first into her vehicle, and dragging her to his patrol car, all because she refused to sit on the hood of her car. He cited her for failing to provide an ID.
I have no idea what happened. Did she pull a knife? Did she pull a gun? Did she start to struggle? Did she punch? I don't know. Maybe she did, maybe she didn't. Maybe it was unjustified.
In another example cited by the DOJ, members of the human smuggling unit zip-tied a Latino father and son who lived next door to a house the officers raided for smugglers. The father is a permanent legal resident of the United States and his son is a U.S. citizen. Both sat on the sidewalk for an hour while officers searched their house without a warrant. And in the jail, detention officers are accused of mistreating prisoners who speak limited English. According to the complaint, detention officers denied some female prisoners basic sanitary items and forced them to stay in clothing stained from menstruation because detention officers failed to provide language assistance to them.
And the Justice Department is seeking action to make sure that policies and procedures are put into place so that behavior like this does not continue. And Steve, we put the whole complaint online on our website, abc15.com.
Some disturbing allegations there.